In today's podcast, we have a Bollywood Premi guest with us, and we discuss all things that Bollywood music has copied. And it was a slightly heartbreaking episode for me.
So continue listening/watching to see Ramanujan break his heart.
So welcome to Padako Panda. We have a guest with us, and today is another Bollywood episode. And why I called Anuj over is because he's one of the biggest Bollywood buffs that I know, apart from the both of us, obviously. So Anuj would like to say, introduce yourself.
He's lying. I just bribed him.
Yeah. So basically, what we're going to discuss today is that, as is common knowledge in Bollywood, most songs are copied from either the West or our neighbors, Pakistan.
Or ourselves.
Or ourselves, yeah.
Yeah,
Or
that is also
that
an
is
option.
also an option.
Yeah.
So we just thought that let's talk about things that are copied. And like I actually want to know, why do you guys think copied songs exist in the first place? Like, is there a lack of talent? Is there laziness? What is it according to you guys?
I don't think it's lack of talent. In fact, it takes talent to copy also. Like, isn't it? Like, see, I understand all this because I mean, I also come from a profession where you end up copying shit. Like, because you can copy a drawing, but the idea is you have to get inspired from it.
Correct.
Like, you shouldn't be like a blatant copy.
Nothing is copied. It's all inspired.
Yes,
Everything is inspired.
Exactly. प्रेरणा ले लो और अपने से खुद कुछ बनाओ, you know. That's the idea. And for that also it takes talent, dude. Like, you can't do that without talent. Like, because to copy even a song, since we're discussing this, you need to be able to do that. Like, you can't do that unless you are already good at music or whatever.
That is true.
So, one of the things that, I like doing is, designing work and stuff, getting stuff designed. So, there are these designers and stuff and, they copy and I'm like, tu copy kar, koi problem nahi hai. But put some effort into it.
Correct.
At least make
Put
it your
some
own.
effort. If you don't want to put effort into the design, put some effort into copying it.
Yeah, I mean, that's the least you can do. You're copying. I mean,
Don't get caught.
At least both
Don't
watches
get caught.
again. At least both
रिवर्स
watches
गूगल
again.
इमेज सर्च किया तो वो निकलना नहीं चाहिए
नहीं
Google
चाहिए.
पे.
That's true. Dude, on that point, I feel till date, the greatest copy and getaway thing that recently we got to know was that Anu Malik stole the Israeli national anthem. And I feel that is the smartest,
The national
the smartest
anthem, dude.
fucking copy ever.
नेशनल एंथम को नहीं छोड़ा उस आदमी ने. अदर कंट्रीज मतलब हर टाइम वो लोग मूवी देखने जाते हैं वो गाते हैं.
And I just want to like, उसने सोचा होगा कि यार इजराइल कौन सा नेशनल लेवल पे स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट जीतने
So
वाला
it
है
will never get played in public.
He's like, I will never get caught. Little did he know.
Also, none of us are going to Google the Israeli national anthem. Like,
Yeah, I don't think that's anyone's national
but
pastime.
now everybody has Googled it thanks to Anu Malik ji.
Now everyone knows. But that I feel is the best copy ever. Cause वो नहीं पकड़ा जाता.
which song did he copy?
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा
ये वतन, बाप रे उसने चुरा के पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग. वाह भाई साहब.
That is
Daring.
भाई साहब.
He's like, not only will I copy,
I mean,
No,
making a
उसमें-
patriotic
Yeah.
song.
Done.
I mean, we don't know if that's a direct lyrics of that song also.
But he was like, I want to push it. Let's see how I can push it. And इतना
He
confidence
was
था बंदे
testing
में.
us. That is the thing.
Yeah.
He was testing
आग लगा दी
us.
भाई, आग लगा दी.
I want to ask.
Alex copied like so many songs.
Anu Malik has copied
Anu
many
Malik
songs.
is like
I feel that
I
is a
think,
trend
you
in
know,
the 90s.
every phase of Indian music there has been a Pritam.
Yeah.
And Anu Malik was the Pritam of one phase of music. And
Pritam is the Anu Malik of this.
correct.
Sorry, yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry, our bad, yeah.
Sorry.
That's true.
My bad. No, actually,
Anu Malik.
Anu Malik is the Bapi Lahiri of his phase. Pritam is the Bapi Lahiri.
Bappilar is the R.D. Burman office.
Oh, hell yeah. We have figured it out. This universe is all figured out.
Generation legacy.
They're passing on the baton.
Yeah,
Now
see,
you
now
have to be
it's
the
your turn.
copying.
Ab aap. So who's the latest one after Pritam?
I think everyone has copied like
Something
one,
or the other.
Something or the other.
Because abhi we came to that Amal Malik has copied.
Amal
stuff.
Malik has copied one
Yeah.
song. Dude, A.R. Rahman has copied one song.
I
Like
was-
that
I was
broke my
going to
heart.
come to that. Has A.R. Rahman ever?
He's
copied?
copied one
He's
song.
one song, which we found out. By the way, guys,
Yeah,
we
please.
found out like this amazing library that is made for people like us called copycatlist.com, where they give you ऐसे year wise किसने कौन सा song
Dude,
copy
it's
किया
a
है.
full database, like year wise,
And you can
artist
contribute
wise.
to it,
Yeah,
like-
you can also contribute to it. So you can basically make your profile, right? And if you get to know that, oh, this one has copied this, you submit it, they verify it, and on that they get points. So
Like
then you are
being
ranked
added,
also.
essentially.
It's crazy. It's like the best site ever.
And you get credit also found by so
हाँ,
and so.
correct. And फिर ऐसा member बहुत नया रहेगा तो novice, फिर ऐसा pro, expert सब है उसमें.
But yeah,
Crazy
this
stuff.
is wild.
Like Reddit karma and all.
Correct.
Yeah. It's basically that, but
exactly.
for like very niche, like ultra niche. So
We
there
only
actually.
found it because of this.
मैं
podcast.
बड़ा होके कॉपीकैट लाइब्रेरी का हीरो बनेगा, लेजेंड बनेगा मैं.
So list of copycats में the number one ranked, the pro copier, the duo. Nadeem Shravan duo है, एक बंदा है.
I think it's a duo.
I think it's a duo. I love this list because Nadeem Shravan is one and Preetham is second.
Of course.
I expected Preetham to be first, to be honest, but I feel he
But
will.
that's just because we are not that well versed with Nadeem Shravan stuff. Like,
Yeah,
you know, we
that's
are
true.
not living in
But I
Nadeem
think
Shravan
Preetham
stuff.
still has potential.
Nah, I'm
He
sure
can
he
top
will
the
be
list.
100%.
Preetham is still going, so he could definitely beat Nadeem Shravan at this point. He's just one song behind, just
Needs
one.
two more to
Dude, so
take the
it's
lead.
Nadeem Shravan 1, Preetham 2, Anu Malik 3.
Anu Malik, I expected more, by the way.
Yeah. He beat
Okay.
Bapi Lahiri and he beat R.D. Burman
Burman, yeah.
also.
Hmm.
So,
Bapi
yeah.
Lahiri couldn't beat
So
R.D.
he
Burman.
probably thought कि 27 से ज़्यादा कौन कॉपी करेगा.
हाँ.
And then you know.
Yeah, that's true. But actually, okay, honestly, in all of these, right, the most respect I have in this list is for R.D. Burman and Bapi Lahiri. Because I feel for Preetham and all, now it's easier to copy because they have access to the internet and the world's music. So I feel it's very easy. Like, for example, when we have to use videos, sounds for our video, right? We just go to ArtGrid and like every independent artist on the planet puts stuff there because they get paid for it. So now I feel it's more easier. But when in times of like R.D. Burman and all, they would have to either somehow find a way to buy a cassette or a CD or whatever.
Matlab they had to collect their influences and then
Right.
sit in their
Or
room
then-
and copy everything.
Or
Ekdam
worst
shiddat
case,
se.
go to that country to find out what's hot.
हाँ.
Like, for example, I think R.D. Burman ने Elvis Presley का गाना चुराया. Like, I can't fathom it, dude. At that time, he might have to actually go to America, watch Elvis live and be like,
Or
ये
like
वाला.
find his record or something.
something like that.
But also he must have thought कि कौन पकड़ेगा मैं.
But, see, that's the thing. Now I'll come to the other thing. I have more respect for people who copy now because they'll be easily found out.
Oh, so it's more difficult
It's more
now.
difficult.
Also in
Daring.
that sense.
Haan.
Not daring.
Yeah, correct.
It is,
because
yeah.
and also copyright laws are slowly getting more intense in India.
Yeah,
slowly.
but I feel that they can just say it's a sample.
But
and get away
भाई
with
तो
it.
like even sampling is involved in copyright law.
Correct,
like,
yeah,
so
for sure.
You can't just like do it without paying whatever.
Royalty वगैरह.
हाँ, exactly. Like I just feel like it's just interesting to see all the old people and how they used to copy and
Correct,
all,
yeah.
correct. But it's more interesting to see उनका भी इतना ego था. Like I think the best thing I found out while reading about this stuff is that Bapi Lahiri in some this thing ना एक Dr. Dre ने sample किया था कलियों का चमन, ठीक है. Dr. Dre was like, oh shit, this is the
is the bomb.
shiz, you know, like, and then he sampled कलियों का चमन. And then these people, Saregama, whatever, HMV, they sued Dr. Dre. They couldn't, like, whatever, they got compensation for it. But in that same movie, Bapi Lahiri had copied a song. In the same movie, he had copied a song.
Wow.
And, dude, I found this so
Irony.
interesting because that same song that he copied came out in the 80s or something. Bapi Lahiri again copied the same song a second time in 91.
Wow.
Like the same song.
He's like, hey, अभी इससे और कुछ भी बन सकता है.
He made two songs.
इसमें और talent है.
You know which
और
song
juice
also?
निकलेगा.
You know which song also in the 80s? चिड़िया चू चू करती है.
That's copy.
तोता something ताली बजाता
I
है.
haven't heard this one.
And then
But,
when Sunny
dude-
Deol का movie came out in 91, योद्धा करके,
हाँ.
उसमें ऐसे whole day, whole night, दिल तरसे same That
Hey,
man
but-
put in zero effort.
No, but at that point, Bappi Lahiri is copying himself, तो चलता है.
No, but think
I-
about
it's
it.
okay.
No, this time now I feel the second time he copied, it was more of copying the original song because in the original song it's all day, all night.
Words भी है इसमें. Nice.
Oh my
Great stuff.
god, dude.
He probably thought कि कम copy किया है.
हाँ.
I mean, you know,
एक
I
बार
didn't do
already
justice
कर
to
लिया
this
है,
song.
so,
I didn't do
Like-
justice to it.
copy करना है तो भी तरीके से करना
हाँ.
है. ये क्या है?
इज्जत से करो यार, ऐसे कैसे?
But yeah, I think this really blew my mind. It thoda increased my respect for Babita. I know for most people it decreases respect for these people, but I'm like,
No, dude. Absolutely no.
So I think that's how we started, right? Nothing
Yeah.
is copied, it's all inspired.
yes, exactly.
नहीं, respect तो ये लोग के लिए बहुत है. See, I feel if you have to become like in today's times, right? You have to either do it on the sly,
हाँ.
like maybe make like 10 songs that are not copied, and then just throw one in there.
Hmm.
Like nobody will know A.R. Rahman copied a song, right? Unless someone
Just
really
because he's
actually-
such so out
But that's
there as a
because he
music
did one in hundreds and
Exactly.
Right.
So that's one way you do it. Or the second way is just become a Pritam. He's like, yeah, fuck, I copy. So what? And lean in, and you're still making money. No one gives a shit at that point. Because now nobody will go and say, अरे Pritam copy करता है. He's like, हाँ मैं करता हूँ, आगे बोल. Like
that's
there the topic
You have
ends.
to own it.
You have to own it at
Right.
this point.
Like, हाँ मैं हूँ copycat
Be-
music
because it is
director,
not.
but I'm still getting work.
Correct.
What about you, you
तू
broke
क्या
ass
कर रहा है?
motherfucker?
I have money, bro.
Exactly. बात खत्म
मेरे
हो
पास
जाती
पैसा है, तेरे पास क्या है?
है. What is the one song that you found out was a copy and it sort of broke your heart? Because I have one for sure.
So many.
Dude,
Oh man, like
So
I remember when I was sort of searching for songs and you know what I was copied,
Uh-huh.
and they were like there was a list. So I thought that you know we guys could actually do like a segment of songs that you know you loved and they are now ruined.
Yeah, because that's.
It's a list. It's not one song.
No, yeah, for sure.
There's just so many. I mean,
But does it really ruin it for you?
No, for me it did, dude. For me it honestly did.
it doesn't ruin it, but it breaks your heart, like
Yeah.
you said. I mean,
नहीं, for-
like यार ये तो original होना चाहिए.
It's like that. Because what happens is by that point you somewhat associate a certain memories to it, and then they seem false.
Yeah.
Like oh, immediately like hey, fuck dhoka, dude. It's like a
धोखा,
breakup.
धोखा.
It's like someone cheated on you. It's like that bad.
Oh god.
For me that was Deen Churai Meri.
Uh,
And मैं बचपन में
Yeah.
मेरे को बहुत पसंद था dude वो गाना. Actually the hook step and all that shit. And then someone came and told me dude वो copy.
Copy.
It's like walking up to a child and saying WWE fake है.
हाँ.
The same impact.
WWE is fake.
Yeah, dude.
Oh no.
Dude. Didn't say this. I'm sorry.
WWE is all staged. And all these guys are
There's
actors.
a stage. It happens for real.
There's-
Okay. Don't listen to these guys.
Why do you think The Rock is acting now? He's got a big resume of
Oh,
acting.
वो हाँ ऑडिशन दे रहा था throughout the 90s. But yeah, dude, it's that. It's basically that. House fighting. ऐसा कैसे नहीं उसने चुरा रहेगा. ऐसा कैसा ये तो ओरिजिनली चाहिए for sure करके. House fighting.
Vince McMahon.
I
don't
think
know.
for me, it was Dhoom Machale Dhoom.
धूम मचा is copy.
Dhoom Machale Dhoom
Yeah.
is copy.
What?
It's a copy from a song called Mario Takes a Walk.
Huh?
by Jesse Cook.
How did Mario Takes a Walk become धूम मचा?
See, this is what I mean by smart copy.
Ah.
Like it's not the same thing.
You
like
can't
it's not.
track it.
It's not like a whole day, whole night, dil tarse. You know what I mean? Like,
Mario taking a walk and धूम नहीं ये होता.
what connection you can make between these two things? But I think for me, like a very heartbreaking thing was the Dhoom Machale Dhoom. Like one of them. Definitely the list is very long, but yeah. What about you, Anuj?
चुरा लिया है. It's Tuesday. It's
Oh, that
Belgium.
one.
Yeah,
No,
correct.
that's Yado ki Barat, right?
No.
No, it's चुरा लिया है.
चुरा
It's
लिया
time
है
for
तूने.
Belgium ऐसे कुछ
हाँ,
तो
it's
है.
Tuesday. That means it's Belgium or something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Dude, that way, like an old song that I recently found out was copied is Ajib Dastan Hai. Ajib Dastan Hai is also copied.
But
And I'm
yeah.
like, क्या? And I didn't.
Nothing is
Dude,
original.
Ajib Dastan Hai को मेरे को इतना बड़ा धक्का लगा. I didn't find out also who they copied
Who
it
it
from
was.
water. I'm like, fuck this dude. नहीं दिखना मेरे को.
Everything is copied, man. I mean, what is this?
No, I feel like why do you think this is heartbreaking for you? Do you associate memories with it or like what?
No, dude, it's that only. Like I said, right? You associate memories with it. For in your head, it's like, oh, it's like an original thing or whatever.
हाँ.
And then when someone comes and tell you that it's not true,
Hmm.
like वो immediate ऐसा धोखा हो जाता है कि यार ऐसे कैसे? How
So
can
I
you do
think I relate to him. I mean, it's like you know, you like a song and you know, oh, this is such a nice song, this is such a cool song, or whatever. I mean, you know, and then oh, this has like a nice beat to it, and then boom, it's copied, bro. So you're like कि
It's like a
Shatter.
punch in the
Yeah.
stomach.
हाँ कि तू second copy like करता है,
Acha,
तू
it's
original
that.
सुन.
It's
हाँ.
also
It's
an
like
ego
that.
thing.
Yeah.
Acha, no, I feel like whenever I was younger and like I came to know that something has another like
Copy.
it's copied from something. Like for example, that final countdown ka that
हाँ.
mere rang mein rangni wali. So for me, it was like that is the English version. And this is the Hindi version.
Oh.
So I
No.
never had that in my brain कि ये copy किया, ये बहुत बुरा किया types. You know, for me it is like English dub, Hindi dub.
Dude, but that actually happens. We were just playing that song, right? We were just listening to songs while working, and Ashish plays Final Countdown, and we're waiting. Final Countdown. The tune happens, and then Sam turns and he says, "Ashish, तो English वाला बजा रहा है, हिंदी वाला बजा रहा है." And I'm like, एक minute, वो copy ऐसे how can you say
It
English
just
वाला
dawned on me
हिंदी वाला?
because see, if you don't change something enough, it ends
It-
up being
being
the
the-
English and Hindi version.
Right.
But Final Countdown and मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली is quite different.
But
Maybe you can remix it or something.
yeah, I mean, honestly, they've just like picked up. See, even if you pick up like a whole riff, it's a problem. Like you picked it up as is. Like I was very shocked. And today morning only I sent Ramanujan 2-3
Yeah,
songs. And that song, ting 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 ting.
Bhool Bhulaiya,
Yeah,
Bhool
ke
Bhulaiya.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
The title track.
That
Yeah.
is copied.
It's copied.
And it is the same. Like they haven't changed that riff at all.
Right. The
Like the
whole
other song
song.
starts and you're like, oh, and you start singing Riya
Okay,
ke Bhool
Bhool
Bhulaiya
Bhulaiya,
in
yeah.
that song only.
See, that is where I feel the thing between sampling and then straight up copying ends.
Yeah, if you
because
want to
sampling is
use
like you
it.
take say a 4 beat or a 6 beat whatever. तुम ऐसा 3.5 मिनट नहीं डाल के बोल सकते ना कि सैंपल है. ये ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है.
That's blatant copy.
Yeah, it is.
At that point it is. At that point you should be.
And
like,
even that rap part in the Bhool Bhulaiya kind of sounds like the original song. Like whatever
Right,
they've thrown
right,
in
right.
there.
at least उतना मेहनत मतलब थोड़ा तो करो.
No, but honestly, na, I feel like when it comes to this sampling and whatever, dude, how I came to know that our copyright laws have become stricter and people are paying more attention to what we're producing. So it's difficult for us to copy now. One thing is the advent of internet. Everyone comes to know.
for
Wait, you said difficult for us to copy.
Matlab if we right now wanted
Wanted
to
to
copy
make
someone's song and like release it for monetary
Got
gain,
it.
it would be difficult for us to get away with it because copyright laws, internet.
catching up, yeah.
You know when they started though, apparently in '92 or something, My Cousin Minnie had come out. You remember that movie?
I don't actually.
So it's a very famous movie actually with Joe Pesci in it, and he's a lawyer.
Okay.
And they tried to make that movie. And it was called Banda Ye Bindas Hai, theek hai. It had Govinda, Tabu and one more person.
Okay.
And it was the same movie and they called it the Hindi remake or whatever. And then they got sued. They got sued by Fox because they were like, you took written permission from us to make an inspired movie, not
Not
make the
blatant
same
copy
movie.
Wow.
And they had to be like, they didn't comment on this at $200,000 वगैरह देना पड़ा था उनको, and that movie never released only. But the idea is that वहाँ से outsiders started paying attention to what we
what?
are producing. Like so today, it will be very
Wow,
difficult
dude.
for us to get away with something.
That doesn't make sense.
So, this guy, what's that comedian's name, yaar?
Karunesh Talwar.
Karunesh Talwar. So he came up with this interesting observation that all the songs, almost all the songs in Hera Fairy have like some,
Onomatopoeia in it.
Yeah, it's
They
all,
just sounds.
it's all sounds, right? Have you guys?
Wow, it'll be fun if those sounds are copied. I'm just putting it out there. I'm like,
Yeah.
But I mean, if Tip
There's
Tip
potential
Barsa
there.
Pani can be copied, I feel
Yeah.
Sabe, don't do this to me. What the fuck? No.
Tip Tip
That's
Barsa Pani is
so.
also
That's
copied.
one of my one of the songs that I really like, which sort of broke my heart. कि यार ये copy नहीं चाहिए.
Dude, Tip Tip Barsa तो नहीं चाहिए यार. ये क्या है?
I mean, come on.
This is a depressing podcast for me, honestly.
We're going lower and
I
lower
know,
with
dude.
the energy in this
Dude, Tip Tip
podcast.
Barsa, I didn't know.
Dude, another one, Dil Mein Bajji Guitar is copied.
Yeah.
That, you know what? That is one of the first songs that I heard and I'm like, ये शायद copy हो सकता है.
Because of how good it
Like,
was.
yeah.
Like how it felt like it was on its 10th iteration.
It
ऑलरेडी ये तो इंडिया से नहीं आया.
ये imported माल है.
Dude, I think what's worse is that it feels like all the songs which you would be like, हाँ ये party में बजाएगा. Those kind of songs are
Are
mostly
copied.
copied. Like, and that is so sad. I agree that that is sad. Like, you can't really write home
Like,
कि हाँ
तेरा-
हमारे यहाँ बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक. अरे ये तो हमारा है.
तेरा प्यार 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 is also copied.
तेरा प्यार प्यार.
That is also one of the songs. I'm like, नहीं
And that
हिमेश
one
सर
also-
ये नहीं आया आपके दिल से.
दिल
ये दिल
समुंदर दिल
दिल
मेरा.
मेरा.
That's also copied.
Yeah.
My God. Dude, हिमेश रेशमिया ने भी काफी गाने कॉपी किए यार.
काफी.
Yeah,
We
which ones?
didn't talk about him also. तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार is हिमेश.
Himesh.
Himesh,
only.
right,
Yeah.
that's true.
Then which is that other one? He copied Beyonce's Halo, dude.
Yeah, he copied Halo.
If
Which
one
one was that?
Arijit Singh song had come out, this one is this
Dude,
Wafa
तेरी
Baby.
मेरी प्रेम कहानी from Bodyguard is copied.
Yeah.
The same
It
as
is
the
the
other
same, it's the
song.
same.
Shit.
Gila Gila, by the way, is also Himesh Reshamya.
Oh hell yeah!
Yeah.
Wafani Bewafai, whatever. That one is copied
Yeah.
from Halo, and it's very similar. Like I can
It is
understand
very
why
similar.
वो beat भी same
And
लिया है.
honestly, you must have heard you must have heard Halo separately a million times. But again, till we went through this, we are like, नहीं वो copy हो ही नहीं
How
सकता.
can it be a Halo copy? Like
I
Halo
swear.
is so
So
popular.
different also.
And it
It
really
seems
takes
very
guts
different.
to like copy a very popular song.
सीधा
I
Beyonce
feel.
से. But I just what you said, who's Kida, whatever. That उसने Pitbull के गाने से copy किया. And dude, ऐसा अपने को लगता है कि ना क्या ये लोग तो हिमेश रेशमिया में तो ऐसा हेलो वेलो सब चला रहा है, ठीक है. I went to the older ones. These guys have stolen like African folk songs and
Yeah.
shit, dude.
Oh
African,
my
like
god, that
K-pop.
reminds me. Om Shanti Om is copied from a song that is called Om Shanti
Yeah,
Shanti Om.
that is
only.
also Om Shanti.
By some Trinidad.
Yeah.
Lord Shorty. I'm never gonna forget his name.
Lord Chodi, Om Shanti Om. This is by the way not Shah Rukh Khan wala Om Shanti Om.
The
Clarify.
original is copied and the Shah Rukh Khan wala is the remake.
Yeah,
So,
this is-
So it's a double copy shot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Not as Anuj like to call it double copy.
Double copy shot.
Copy ka copy. Even the popular one is a double copy shot then. The
Which
one
one?
he copied.
No, but he's reusing his old homework.
That's
for
the double copy, dude.
What about Neem Chudai Meri? Even that's a double copy shot.
It is.
हाँ, क्या?
It is.
They made like a
मेरे को
remake.
लगा एक बार किया है यार, तुम दो बोल रहे हो अभी.
We are just ruining Ramanujan's
What
day.
the hell, dude?
It's so good it had to be copied twice, man. I mean, yeah, that.
That's kudos to the original artist, by the way.
No,
Not.
but the Lord Shorty one, I can't get over when he. Dude, the entire song is
It's
same.
copied.
It's
Yeah,
like
yeah. Dude,
same.
it's आज la 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 same message चलो same.
Om Shanti Om.
Only he says shanty.
Shanty.
That's the only difference.
But यार मतलब see I get when I was saying earlier also that 90s के whatever they had to go to these countries. So अफ्रीका में कहाँ से निकालते रहेंगे यार ये लोग?
Are records
गाने.
they must be taking because that's the only way I see that this is happening.
Maybe
Like,
that guy came here and he was like, you know, I have this song.
Lord Shorty India. I don't think so.
I think Lord Shorty is too cool to ले. मैं नहीं जा रहा किधर. किसी को चाहिए तो
I
इधर
mean,
आओ.
he called himself Lord Shorty Cub. Can you imagine to be relevant
But he
today?
made a song Om Shanti Om. So I'm sure
he must be
he
part
thought,
of
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the source of this song. Like, you know.
No, he must be part of that. What is that Krishna thing?
ISKCON.
ISKCON.
I couldn't remember that one. Huh.
Nice. Yeah, possible. That
Which
is
is
possible.
all over
So
the world.
who's the director for Cars?
Adi
The
Bhai?
Himesh Reshamya wala का
No,
or
no,
the
no,
Adi
no,
Bhai,
no.
that is Karz. You have to say it like that.
Apologies. I should know better at this point.
Lakshmikant Pyarelal.
Lakshmikant
Lakshmikant Pyarelal
Pyarelal.
has actually copied a lot of songs.
So
He's
maybe
also very high
Lord
on
Shorty
lists.
came, he's like, इधर आ. कितने को गाना सुना था? ये गाना तो मूवी में यूज कर.
But Lakshmikant Pyarelal, by the time they were like big, they were quite old. So I just see them being record collectors. Like that's what my theory is.
Oh, it's like
That-
a hobby turned profession.
Yeah, that,
Oh,
they
oh.
used to collect records from all over the world or something.
It was their side hustle. They were like, hobby से कैसे पैसे कमाए? चलो गाने बजाते.
But yeah, so I just feel like it's very weird that I don't think Lakshmikant Pyarelal really went to Africa and like found Lord Shorty.
But actually, I'll tell you what. Now that is like, it's not respectable. Like if you tell me that he went to Africa, he'll search for this
And he
one
met
tribe.
him. Yeah.
ऐसा बैठा उनके साथ म्यूजिक सुनाई दिया बोले हो तभी रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकता था
ऐसे
कैसे
चिट्ठी लेके गए ये लॉर्ड शॉर्टी का एड्रेस किधर है?
Because हाँ, Google Map तो नहीं था.
हाँ, गूगल मैप भी नहीं था.
अरे वो Lord Shorty.
Lord Shorty, share your location.
Lord Shorty, हाँ आगे से राइट ऐसा कुछ स्टोरी रहता तो song is value.
There's a giant nameplate saying Lord Shorty on his house.
See, that has much more value.
See, that's
There is
efforts.
like- yeah,
That's effort.
That there is like हाँ ठीक है चलो चुरा
चल
लेकिन
ठीक है,
कुछ मेहनत करके
let's
चुरा.
for the benefit of ours, like our minds, let's think that Lakshmikant Pyarelal actually did that.
Yeah.
Okay, like
Then justify then.
then it's fine.
फिर मैं
इतना
नाचेगा.
जाके Lord Shorty को ढूंढा इसलिए it's okay.
फिर पार्टी में बजा मैं नाचेगा.
मेहनत किया,
तो मैं
मेहनत किया.
प्रोटेस्ट में ऐसे खड़े रहेगा नहीं नाचेगा. But honestly, I feel copying and Bollywood have such it's become such a normal
It's synonymous.
nonchalant
Yeah.
thing
It's synonymous.
कि यार Beyonce का कर रहा है किसी को पता नहीं है. Now तो Bollywood is copying themselves.
That's the thing. I feel like people को पता है, but nobody cares anymore.
Yeah, it's like हाँ ठीक है. It's a very
Because you're not going to get attached to Sanam Bewafa or whatever that song
Yeah,
was.
for
Like
sure.
that's just what.
Beyonce is not going to be like मेरे नाम का ऐसा गाना घूम रहा है. नहीं रहने दे भाई तू मजे कर.
No, but she must get like offended, like, you know.
हाँ, I'm
अरे,
sure.
ये
Yeah,
क्या
but-
बना दिया यार, इतना अच्छा गाना था.
But I'm sure she has way more better things to do than come behind
No,
Himesh
dude,
Reshamya.
Beyonce is actually quite petty.
Huh.
Like she is.
Who, like
She
this-
had her daughter's called Blue Ivy, na? So she tried to trademark that name.
बच्चे का नाम.
And some because she wanted to start her brand or whatever. So some wedding gown person in Britain is already called Blue Ivy. So that person was like, "Excuse me, please, you can't do this. I don't want to pay Beyonce to run my shop. It's been there for a while
Wow.
before Blue Ivy was born."
Wow. Nuts.
But like so Beyonce sued them and I think they won or something like because they were like this is ridiculous like.
Himesh Reshamya.
So she's quite petty. So Himesh
Himesh
better
ji,
watch out.
Please.
She's coming for you.
Beyonce is coming. I want to go back to what Atul said.
हाँ
Copy shot, double copy shot.
Double
ऐसे
copy
एक बहुत songs है क्या?
हाँ I don't know.
Like,
रहेंगे.
what is the scene with
So
that?
I came across with say Om Shanti Om and this one Neend Churai Meri.
Okay.
हाँ.
We can actually search. There was one more year, I forget. So it's a copy and then it's a remix or a remake.
Acha,
or
like a
whatever.
remix.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. But do those count as copies? Like, do the remixes count as copies? No, right?
I don't think so. But then, see, if you're saying remixes copy, then you have to also say, like, for example, Simba में आँख मारी था. आँख मारे. For that also, you'll have to term it as a copy.
Copy, but I
See,
don't
for
think
me-
it is.
For me, a copy is if you copy it and you change a significant part of it. Like, at least lyrics. At least.
Okay.
नहीं क्या? See, even if like for the Puppy Larry song, he had the lead lyrics were the same and then he changed it. So the meaning of the song changes. A remix is basically
You
changing
use the same chorus or something.
yeah, you use the same chorus, maybe
Got
the
it.
same lyrics.
Got
Just
it.
the beat is changed to make it either slower or faster.
Faster. Got it.
That for me is a remix.
So that's not a copy for sure.
For me, it's not.
It's not. It
So
should
what's the difference between a remix and a remake?
I think
Wow.
it's the same.
I think it's the same.
No, it's not.
No, it's
It
not.
shouldn't be,
not.
right?
It's not. It's
But
not.
if you're saying remake, then you are remaking the same thing. So you can't make changes. It is as
No,
close
you
to.
can.
So then what is
You
Aag
can,
Mari?
You can.
What is
so
Aag
Aag
Mari?
Mari is a remix.
No, this I'm
It's the remix.
basic-
बोलता है वो.
This, that's true. He's like, this is another remix. Sit through this
हाँ,
one also.
वो तो बोलता है blatantly.
I don't know. I think going off of what movies,
हाँ.
like how it's for movies, like how Banda Bindas was supposed to be a remake of My Cousin Vinny.
हाँ.
It's like they're putting it in another context, but they're making the same film.
Oh,
Okay.
So
Just the
if you're
setting changes.
remaking a song, it's like you can change it to make it more relevant to today,
Okay.
but it's the same song.
Right.
Got it.
The essence is the same.
Yeah, because if you're making a remix, you're putting other stuff in there. Like you're just like say you're using the chorus, like in Aag Mari.
Sampling or whatever.
Yeah. But
That's
in the remake, you're making the
So
whole
then,
song.
for others also, I mean, you know, if they're going to copy the samples, so to say,
Huh.
that's a remix.
Uh,
It's not a copy.
Yeah, sampling is part of like DJing. So
Sampling,
technically,
so-
it is a remix.
If you see hip hop in general has come up with sampling.
Sampling,
Like
yeah.
actually hip hop
Because
artists
they're
used
not
to use-
making those sounds themselves.
Yeah, they used to
Yeah.
go to record stores, they used to play songs and they used to be like, oh, this beat is crazy.
And
So
they
they
used
should
to-
take that
yeah.
beat, work on it and then put their own lyrics to
But
it.
the,
That
but
is
the
sampling.
fact here is that they are not putting out the same product. Like they are using a beat or something.
Yeah, and then they're changing that and then making like a different song out of it. लाइक 3.5 मिनट का वही ट्यून पे मैं कुछ और गा नहीं रहा हूँ, दैट इज अ कॉपी. For the at least the music is copied.
I think all of this stuff is very confusing.
It
It is for sure.
That
it
is
is.
That's
why
just-
laws have to be written with all those convoluted sentences. Where-
It's just such a thin line that you're walking. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, oh, this is a remix, this is a remake, this is a copy.
and that's why they have to announce it in the song. This is the remix.
This is the remix.
बोल दिया remix है. Joops.
Joops.
तुम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
Okay, but to be fair, right? सिर्फ इंडियन लोग कॉपी नहीं करते. दुनिया में सब लोग कॉपी करते हैं. Especially there's one person who I know who's copied the most is Khalid. Khalid
You know Khalid?
Yeah. मैं थोड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ.
मैं भी busy है.
उसका दीदी was copied.
In Airlift in 2016.
Yeah,
like
that is-
Abhi, and it was called
Yeah.
De.
And some girl group also copied it.
Yeah.
That Akanksha made me hear. And I was like,
Yeah.
what is happening?
Yeah.
Some girl group also made it into a pop song. And
Wow.
Outlandish ka Aisha is also Aisha
Oh
from
God,
Khalid.
For
Right.
sure.
And
Yeah.
has like just to put it out there कि हाँ सब लोग करता है copy.
हाँ.
It's a worldwide phenomenon.
See,
हम
but
लोग
the
सिर्फ
thing
इंडिया
is,
में
there's a
shit नहीं कर
difference
रहे.
between taking permission to make a remake or whatever. Like so many artists have gotten into trouble. Like Bittersweet Symphony ka the tu 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 tu. It's been copied by so many people.
Yeah, it is.
And the thing is that they use the Who ka thing. So
मतलब?
the Who had
हाँ.
made that the first
Oh.
time. So they sampled it, and the Who immediately was like, "You didn't take permission for this." So
Wow.
whatever the copies are there of Bittersweet, but उन्होंने sample ऐसे किया था that you can't tell it is from
the Who's original
So
song.
basically they got into a lot of shit because thousands of other people copied that, but they can't claim it.
Correct.
So they have lost out on a lot of money.
Wow.
Shit.
That's
I think
sad.
that is the worst case I have seen
Yeah.
because everybody knows that song. Like
It's sad.
there are a lot of songs that I feel like if Preetam or Anu Malik or anybody like that is listening to this podcast, you guys should definitely copy these people.
Drop in the comments.
Please.
Yeah.
Please copy these
Yeah.
people. Like I feel like Venga Boys is not tapped enough.
Oh,
like,
yeah, dude.
Why
Yeah.
is nobody copying Venga
Why,
Boys?
dude, Brazil.
Hey,
Na, na,
Brazil
na.
has been copied a lot, boys.
Yeah, but इंडिया में किया है किसी ने?
इंडिया में कौन सा सॉन्ग है?
इंडिया में
That's
किसी ने
the
कॉपी
thing.
नहीं किया है,
It's
dude.
a treasure trove of songs.
Yeah,
ये
People
चाहिए.
should go copy them.
Dude, Venga Boys है for sure. ABBA के गाने हैं.
But चल ठीक है. Like,
Boneyam, I feel the hits have never been copied.
that's true.
Boneyam किधर ना किधर तो copy
Everybody
किया है
has
किसी
been
ने,
very
for sure.
careful with
साउथ में
Boney.
maybe somewhere.
South में तो let's not go there. That's a different industry. We haven't even gone
That
there.
is part of another planet. Their copyright
Yeah.
rules run very differently than everybody else.
नहीं है उधर कुछ.
Has Pink Floyd been copied?
Ooh.
Dude.
Bobby Lahiri
Bobby
has
Lahiri copied
copied-
Pink Floyd.
And he's used the same lyrics.
Which song?
Another brick in the wall. He didn't even try very hard.
Really?
And it goes तोड़ दो दीवार तोड़ दो.
You see, that's why I'm an Anu Malik fan and not a Bobby Lahiri fan.
Okay, coming back. So yeah, Pink Floyd and Bobby Lahiri, that has been done already.
Been there, done that.
Yeah.
Says Bobby Lahiri to
Dude,
everything.
that is my favorite. That is my favorite.
ये खेल मैं पहले खेल चुका हूँ.
And you know, and he has the balls to complain about Abhi ke composers and all. Like he says,
ये
कि
लोग
यार
अभी सब copy
किसी
कर रहे
में
हैं."
कोई बात नहीं है. And all that
Really?
he says, yeah, Bobby Lahiri is lot of ego.
Basically, he's also saying कि यार मेहनत से चुराओ. मतलब कर ही रहे हो तो अच्छे से करो.
Go to some African village and find Lord Shorty and
Lord Shorty.
take his pranam, take his blessings, and then copy some song. Yeah.
In conclusion, what do you guys feel about like the copying in general? I feel it should exist because it's
It brings variety.
It brings variety. It's just fun. Like we get to do a podcast on it.
Sometimes when you hear the copied version, you're like, I have heard this before,
Yeah.
and you get happy about it. So
So
that's
yeah, there are obviously positives. You feel good about yourself.
It does happen. I mean, it instills that kick, you know.
Yeah.
हाँ, अरे ये तो सुना है.
ये तो सुना है.
हाँ.
For sure.
If you guys think that we missed out on any of them, anything that is particularly interesting to you, please put it in the comments. We'd love to read them.
Also, we'll put a link to the copycat list down in the description. Please
Yes.
go through that and let us know what your most shocking revelation from that was. Also, if you got as depressed as I did listening to these people shatter my dreams, It's okay.
नींद चुराई
Hey, you shattered my dream
Yeah.
of WWE.
I will make it up. We will sit and talk, have a therapy session about it later.
I think I've been the happiest on this podcast, so I don't have anything to say. See you next time.
Yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon because we have new episodes out every Friday and small bits of content throughout the week.